Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Overnight, corn and soybean prices are lower while wheat prices are higher. The President of the United States did slap a 10% tariff duty on $200 billion worth of Chinese goods. The Chinese said they would retaliate, but China only buys about $129 million worth of U.S. goods. So some people in the trade feels that if he's going to do another $267 billion, he should do it now so the trade can have it behind him and just start trading other fundamentals. Stock market, though, looks like it's opening up a little bit higher. The dollar's higher, crude's higher, most commodities are higher, so it looks like everyone is kind of going past this tariff except for the corn and soybeans. We also noted that so far they've counted about 2 million chickens that have died because of Hurricane Florence. It's not a big number, but there continues to be transportation issues down there. Hogs are not getting feed to be fed, and so those issues continue to be a major problem for the state of North Carolina. Yesterday, winter wheat was 13% planted. Corn continues to be rated 68% good to excellent, and about 9% of the crop is harvested. Beans dropped 1 percentage point to 67% good to excellent, and about 6% of the crop is harvested. Weather-wise, starting tomorrow, we'll see some rains across the Midwest over the next 10 days. 11 to 15-day maps, though, are drier. Export inspections, wheat's running 30% behind a year ago. USDA is currently forecasting a 14% increase. So if there is some issues with Russia, we need to see sales pick up to provide support to the wheat market. Corn was 25% behind last year, and USDA is forecasting only a 1% drop. Beans are 21% behind. USDA is talking about a 3% decline. So again, demand needs to pick up to support prices. The crush yesterday was a record 159 million bushels, but it was below the average trade guess. And the funds yesterday sold beans, meal, oil, 12,000 corn and 6,000 wheat. Continue to be short beans, oil, corn, and wheat now, and long a little bit of meal. They are now short 127,000 contracts of corn. South America is starting to plant their crops. In Brazil, Paraná just started with the quickest start of planting their beans in the last 5 years. Soil moisture conditions are favorable. Brazil corn is also starting to plant its full season corn in Paraná and Rio Grande do Sul. Argentina corn, farmers are starting to plant their early corn planting in the northern and eastern parts. Corn is usually planted in 2 phases, with early planting ending in October. Farmers then start planting their second crop November and early December, with completed by the middle of January. The Buenos Aires Exchange estimated that farmers in Argentina will increase their corn acres from 5.4 million hectares to 5.8 million hectares. So again, too much supply, tariff issues, and we'll see if they can come to a resolution before the midterm. U.S. is going to be a little wet, slowing harvest down, but 11 to 15 days is drier. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.